Hey guys, today we'll learn how to make swipe carousel animation in Figma. I'll show you two ways. One is simpler, where you can only swipe, and the second is more complicated, in which you can swipe and scroll by pressing the buttons. Let's dive into the layouts. First of all, we need to select icons, press Shift A to make an auto layout, and it's important to have 16 pixels margins from the both sides, because otherwise our icons will stuck to the borders of the layout and we don't want that. Next, we need to frame this selection and change the width of our frame to 375. That's the width of our layout. And next, we need to change the overflow from no scrolling to horizontal. Let's put our frame into the layout. Let's center it and check how it works. Swipe works well, and you see this little gap, 16 pixels. That's why we need margins inside of the layout. Let's move to the second version of Carousel. Let's start with the same approach, make a layout, add same margins. After that, frame this selection, make a width same 375 pixels, and we can clip the content. After that, let's add an arrow. I just copy and paste it to the frame, align it to the right side of the frame, and next we need to make a component out of it. And inside of the component, let's add two variants. In the second variant, select the auto layout and align it to the center. In the third variant, select the auto layout and align it by the right side. Then let's move to the arrows. I just duplicate the arrow and move it, change it to the left, because I have a component of arrows already. Here is a small but important detail. For Figma to understand that this is different objects, we need to rename this left arrow button. And we just copy paste the left arrow button and delete the right button. And now we move into prototyping. Let's add connections inside our component. With the arrows, we use tap trigger. When press the right button, we move one card right. When we press left button, we move one card left. Okay, next thing, we need to add a swipe animation. So for this, we need to select auto layout, make a connection using drag trigger. Same with the next animation. And what's interesting here, using one element, in this case auto layout, we can make drag animation to the both sides. And now from the third variant, we drag to the second, and yeah, we are ready to go. Let's copy the component inside the layout, center it, make it look nice, and let's check how it works. The swipe works perfectly. As you can see, swipe works in both directions. Let's check the arrows. Arrow buttons works perfectly. And that's all for today. I hope you find this tutorial useful. Make it beautiful, make it usable.